Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade barbecue sauce at home. First, gather your essential ingredients, including a good quality ketchup, apple cider vinegar, and a selection of spices. Next, combine all these components in a sturdy saucepan. This initial step is crucial for ensuring all flavors can meld together beautifully. Finally, you'll gently simmer the mixture, allowing the ingredients to fully integrate and develop a rich, complex taste. For the perfect base, start with 1 cup of your favorite quality ketchup. To introduce that essential tangy kick, incorporate 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Sweetness is key, so add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, which also helps with caramelization. Finally, season generously with 1 teaspoon each of smoked paprika and garlic powder to build a robust and aromatic flavor profile. Once all your ingredients are combined, bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. After it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the sauce from sticking to the bottom of the pan and to ensure even cooking. This simmering process allows the sauce to thicken and develop its deep, rich flavor and perfect consistency. After your delicious barbecue sauce has finished simmering, allow it to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it. Store the cooled sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. This homemade sauce is perfect for slathering on ribs, chicken, or pulled pork, elevating any meal. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.